The spring has officially arrived in Switzerland. And yes, you may certainly wonder, why do I speak about spring? And who cares about my spring? Well, I do. Because in this period of time, I am decluttering my wardrobe, I'm sorting my clothing, I prepare myself for spring, maybe like you do. As you can see, this is my guest room. Oh la la, poor guests. The main question is, are you still interested in this filming even though the light is poor? Before I leave you, I wanted to share a quick tip on how to dress in early spring, especially when it's raining, the weather changes quickly, like from rain to sunshine and vice versa. My strategy is to have a hero item and add it to your basic and very simple outfits. I have my long sleeve basic, which I am wearing with my high-waisted dark denim, and my hero piece I chose for this period of time will be my cardigan. I want to feel warm and cozy, that's why I chose this item. But you can choose the item of your choice, maybe a blazer, a shirt, maybe a t-shirt, anything that brings you joy, happiness, or any other emotions to empower your actual state of mind. Clothes are made for this. Don't forget it. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.